Already we have dumped the code. We are waiting for the motor to start. Here we can see the code is already dumped. We can observe that motor has started very smoothly, and we are transitioning it to sensorless control. Here we can observe that it is transitioned to sensorless control. Now speed reference will be changed. We are changing the speed reference. We are changing it to rated speed. We can observe that motor has achieved the rated speed with on load
without any noise. Now I am reducing to.
Now the speed, we are reducing the speed. We can observe that there is a smooth transition from in the speed.
Yes.